vapor pressure of solution decreases when a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent. Solvent is volatile and solute is non-volatile, means solvent easily goes into the vapor state whereas solute does not go into the vapor state. So when this non-volatile solute is dissolved in volatile solvent, the vapor pressure of the resulting solution is less than that of the pure solvent. The reason is the non-volatile solute particles, they decrease the number of solvent particles present on the surface of the liquid, and hence the number of solvent particles going into the vapor state decreases. Now this point has been discussed earlier. Now there are many properties of solutions which are connected with this decrease of vapor pressure. Now what are these properties? These properties are: first, relative lowering of vapor pressure of the solvent; second, depression of freezing point of the solvent; third, elevation of boiling point of the solvent; and fourth, osmotic pressure of the solution. Now point to be noted, all these properties depend on the number of solute particles irrespective of the nature relative to the total number of particles present in the solution. Means all these properties depend on the number of solute particles relative to the total number of particles present in the solution, and it does not depend upon the nature of the solute particles. So all these properties, they depend on the number of solute particles relative to the total number of particles present in the solution, and this does not depend upon the nature of the solute particles. So such properties are called colligative properties. So these properties, like relative lowering of vapor pressure of the solvent, depression of freezing point of the solvent, elevation of boiling point of the solvent, and osmotic pressure of the solution, these are called colligative properties.